Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove black background in Photoshop. First of all, open your image with the black background. Once the image is opened in Photoshop, all you have to do is select the magic wand tool, or you can click here. From here you will see magic wand tool. Click on it. Once the magic wand tool is selected, you can press or click anywhere on the black background. Once selected, all you have to do is select this invert selection tool. Once you clicked on it, now the black background has been selected. Now from here, all you have to do is right click on your image and you have to select layer via cut. Once it's selected, then all you have to do is click on this I button on the background, and then your background will be deselected, or it will be cutted out from your image. From here, all you have to do is click on File and go to the Export and quick export as PNG file. And that's how you can remove black background in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.